Okay, family and friends. So this is a how-to booklet made by my daughter. Yeah, so how to make cheese sandwich with sauce by Mr. Cooking Chef. Okay, so Amir and Hana favorite sandwich. Yum. Take 2 breads, 1 cheese and sauce. Take a bread, then salah aja ni. Then put cheese on the bread. Put sauce on the cheese, then put bread. So bread, put cheese on the bread, put sauce on the cheese, then put bread. Step by step.
Okay.
And then ni salah aja. Then eat that sandwich, and if you like it, you say yum. Okay. And don't forget to say thank you. So yum. Sandwich dia letak plate siap. It's good for your health. Tengok strong.
Amir is right there. And me.
Okay.
Okay, done.